Jessica. I am on Instagram at Raising Jai Solomon, JaiSolomon. You can find me there for lots of ring sling tips and tricks. But I'm going to hop on here today and talk about threading a sling. There are two popular ways to do it, so I will show you both. I will start with my personal preference for threading. So to begin with, you want to have the fabric of your sling all spread out, and just hold the rings with one hand, and then we're going to gather up the fabric of our sling and just pull it through both rings one time. You're going to pull it through about halfway. So here's my tail, and here's the body of the sling. And then from here, we are going to, this is the tail direction, we're going to drop the ring that's closer to the tail and loop the fabric right back through this way. So here the sling is very roughly threaded. What we want to do from here is to walk the fabric out to flatten the fabric through the rings. So I will do that by finding one edge of the fabric, and I'm kind of pinching with this hand and then walking with this one. So I'm walking the fabric all the way through from side to side. And then I will start on the sides, kind of snugging up that fabric, and then snug up the middle so that then the fabric is flat through the rings and ready to be put on and put a baby into the sling. The other way to thread a sling that is popular is threading directly on the body. Lots of people prefer this way. It wasn't the way I learned first, so it's just not what I default to, but there's no right or wrong way. So you'll start with the rings at the shoulder you intend to wear them on, and then with the opposite hand you'll just kind of gather up that fabric so you have all the fabric in one hand, and then same as before, we're going to pull all of the fabric through the rings one way. And then we will kind of separate these two rings, and we're going to push the fabric right back through. And again, we're going to walk out the fabric to make sure that it is flat through the rings. And straighten out one side. The other side, and then the middle. And again, we have a sling that is ready for a child. You can thread your sling once and then throw it in your diaper bag, throw it in your car, or throw a kiddo in there directly. Between wears, you can leave your sling threaded if that's preferable and easier for you. I tend to unthread at the end of my day, but if we're out and about on adventures, I definitely leave it threaded, kind of the convenience of slings. If you have any questions, feel free to message me or shoot a message here, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.
Thank you so much to Jessica for her video on threading. You can go follow her on Instagram at Raising Jai Solomon. Take care. Thanks. Bye.